So my students were asking for some examples of assessment for learning or formative assessment. Of course, an assessment for learning is any kind of assessment that informs and improves the student learning process. It's not just what measures what the students have learned up to that point, but it's actually going to help you in your instruction. And for me, my favorite, Think, Pair, Share. I love Think, Pair, Share because it not only does it help us measure what students understand, but it improves the classroom culture and makes it a safe learning environment because I can ask a question, have students discuss it with their friends or their peers in a way that's very safe and comfortable. And then I can randomly call on students in class and they've already had experience with that stuff. And so it's easier to give an answer. Now, this is going to make some students uncomfortable. And I want to do that as a teacher. I want to prepare them for the world. And sometimes that means being a little uncomfortable. So I love Think, Pair, Shares because it helps ease them into that. I also really love exit tickets or short reflections. With my online students, I do this frequently where they do their preparation for class and then they answer a 3-question reflection on what did you learn, summarize what you learned, how does it apply to your life, and what questions do you have. Those are really helpful for me as an instructor to kind of gauge where they're at. And in fact, most of my questions on this channel for you guys have come from those reflections. So that's really helpful for me to understand where my students are at and how can I help them moving forward.